Rosalind's been here since she's a little girl.
This is where I always wanted to be.
Well, one of Rod's biggest passions was of a children's home in Bolivia. He was asked years ago to help establish a dairy farm there. He died before we got the cows in and got it started, but we decided to keep it going, and we got the cows in there, actually milking cows there now, and they feed all the children in the home with the milk, and they have a picture of Rod hanging in the barn, and that's always cool.
My sister Jenny organizes the tours. I love watching the kids' faces when they get to pet that calf.